Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by launching NBA 2K26 and loading the save with the banner you want to change. Once loaded, go straight to My Player or your team's visuals menu and open the banner editor. This is where edits happen. Make sure you have your custom image on a USB or cloud, or decide to use in-game logos and symbols. Doing this upfront saves time because importing and placing assets is the next step, so don't skip confirming your file format and resolution before proceeding. Now you import or select the assets for the banner and begin placing them. Use the import tool for PNG or JPG and ensure transparent areas are respected, then drag items onto the banner canvas. Adjust size, rotation, and flip with the transform handles. Layer elements with bring forward and send back to avoid hidden logos. Change color fills, gradients, and border thickness to match your scheme, and preview in the 3 available view modes so you can confirm alignment and legibility before finalize. Finish by saving the banner to the correct profile or team slot and then apply it. Make sure to sync online if you use cloud saves so the change persists across sessions. Once applied, load a match or use Arena Preview to check the banner under different lighting conditions. Minor tweaks are normal. If you hit an import error or see missing textures, re-export at or below 2048 by 2048, verify PNG transparency. Clear the console or game cache and re-import. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.